Good morning, everyone. Today we will be doing baby Dylan and his mother's case regarding breastfeeding. So you can read the question first. In any order you can read. So I am showing you first page and then second page. This is the second page. So please try to identify what is important, how you have to write a letter. Just do a planning. That's it. 5 minutes planning. That's it. So I will be continuing with the class. So you, if you want, pause and do the planning. Okay. So this is a letter, referral letter to the lactation consultant at the breastfeeding support. It's written in a capital letter. This is a discharge plan. Here the patients, this patient mother want to increase breastfeedings feeds, refer to breastfeeding support service. So that's the reason why we are writing. Check formula is correctly prepared. See, formula milk breast milk. Sorry, milk formula should be best. Correctly, it should be the proper method. Correctly, proper preparation. Prepared. Method, technique. If continuing formula feeds, suppose if they are continuing, advised to supplement with water. So if they are planning for formula feeds, then please apply with water, and the water should be boiled and cooled. Advice on keeping baby cool in hot weather. So the baby should be kept in hot weather. See, return for review in 48 hours. 48 hours means 2 days. So what is the reason for the visit? Milk constipation. So it's mild constipation and dehydration. So the patient visited for constipation and dehydration, and it's discharge plan, everything related to breastfeeding, how to advise, and then other what are the other supplements for that. Okay, I hope you will be knowing by now everything. So this is you are a nurse working in this clinic, hospital, health service. So this is baby patient history. Okay, discharge date, baby boy name is important, and the name of the mother is important because father is staying away here, currently away from home on duty. Okay, now birth history not so important over here, and here you can actually take time to read because but I will be continuing with the explanation. This baby attended, they came for routine 6 week checkup. So and at that time she had told about constipation. Once every 3 days, the patient, this baby have hard stool. So mother want to know about something to something stool softener or prune juice for baby. Now this baby's history is that he already breastfed for first 3 weeks after birth. Now, but the dehydration part. What is the dehydration point in the assessment? Unsettled during summer heat wave and in December. Now, however, mother got sick for few days, and mother-in-law gave some advice to change to baby formula feeds. So that's the reason why formula feed advice with in the discharge plan, why advice has to be given and all. So, but how see the mother advised extra powder. So it's that is the problem, extra powder in formula. Now she does not have enough breast milk. Another problem is no does not have enough breast milk and doesn't know about how to feed properly, and this thing formula, extra formula feeds. One more problem is that mother-in-law will be staying so one more month, and then what is breastfeeding method. They are actually tensions are arising because of that. And here you can select few points from here. I took these 3 points, whatever is normal, what so much medical knowledge I won't be preferring you to write. So I will be directly starting with the answer. So this is the answer. Take time to read. So I will just by now you might have got an idea for it's an extra explanation. So I'm writing to refer. C2 is not needed. To refer baby name and his mother. Sylvia is directly explained in the letter. Okay, mother Sylvia. Miss otherwise Sylvia Charles, Mrs. Charles, surname we will go for that, is dehydrated and has constipation. Dehydrated and has constipation due to improper feeding methods. Okay, methods. Multiple methods they have followed. That's why methods. So therefore, his mother Charles. See here, mother they have used. Mrs. also you can use in the remaining sentence. One more letter sample I will be showing. Okay, later. Mother Charles requires continuous tense education regarding proper feeding method, improper, proper. So that is antonym they used over the breastfed. This is a past tense. It's not feed, it's breastfed for the first 3 weeks. Yes. And started, initiated, commenced, formula feeds. Continuous. Now also it's continuing as per her mother-in-law's advice. Mother-in-law's, see apostrophe S. Advice. See, I always ask you to write SED for advised for verb. But here it is used as a noun. So the spelling is CE. Okay. So that is the difference between CE and SE for advice. Two spellings are there based on a noun and verb. ED, SED. Okay, that's it. When she was sick. Now Sylvia does not have educate breast milk. Breastfed breast milk. Therefore, so it's already started from therefore, comma, otherwise within middle of this therefore. Mother-in-law, it should be hyphenated. If it's not hyphenated, it won't be considered. Added extra powder in formula feeds. Formula feeds, extra powder feeds continuous, which resulted in, because of that, which resulted in dehydration. Dahlia is uncomfortable. Uncomfortable with bottle feeding, and he was unsettled in summer. So heat wave, summer heat wave. Okay, dehydration, unsettled, uncomfortable. Which so these are the formula feeds extra powder. Now wait, everything has been given. So it's like here I will show you one more ways of writing. Slightly lethargic and passes, continuous tense, dark urine. So Dylan has only 3 wet nappies in the past hours. In the question it was 24 hours. So there's change to past hours. Okay. So that's how they changed. In view of the above condition, advise Mrs. Charles Sylvia to increase the frequency of breastfeeding, frequency of breastfeeding. Please instruct. How old we can say how old we can write the last paragraph. Please instruct. Also remember, please schedule a follow-up review. So it's like whatever written in the red color. About the proper preparation. So it's like hot and then cool. It's written like preparation of boiled and cold water. Okay, hot, cool. That is boiled and cooled water. Also remember Sylvia to keep the baby in a cool place to prevent preposition to prevent dehydration. Okay, in less temperature in cool place to prevent dehydration. Please schedule a follow-up review after 48 hours to monitor baby's progress. Okay. Oh. And now I will show you some more questions, some more sample answers. Take time to read. Once it is done, I will be explaining you. Okay. I am writing to refer Mrs. Charles who requires. So here actually it's not started with baby dial and the name, but you can write that Mrs. Charles who requires further assessment and counseling. See extra words on same question only different ways to write. On the appropriate. So proper appropriate. So write down proper appropriate synonyms. Okay, appropriate feeding methods that will be suitable for her child. So Mrs. Charles and baby Dylan and Mrs. Charles. That's how they wrote down the. Here started with Mrs. Child and in the end they are suitable for her child. So like that they added that will be suitable, okay, for her child. Dylan who presented with constipation, presented with constipation and dehydration. Okay, one more I will show you once again. Okay, this is the difference between the both paragraph. Okay, now moving on. So today Mrs. Charles brought to our health center for a 6-week routine checkup. That in that letter is not mentioning routine checkup hyphenated, and she complained of his inability to move bowel normally. So she complained. Here they are explaining inability to move bowel normally. So it's like hard stool, bowel normally. Okay, this is the question. You can read if you want. Bowel normally, directly change the words, and she made a request for the usage of laxative for him. Laxative. See, she didn't ask directly about this laxative. See, mother is asking about stool softener or prune. So, synonym is laxative. Usage of laxative for him. She was also found anxious. Also, this is wrong. This is actually wrong. She was also found anxious regarding the breastfeeding options, methods, options. Okay, synonyms, options, methods. See, whatever I am telling a synonym, if you want, you can note it down. I am not asking, forcing you for that. You can remember in your mind if it's possible for you. Options, methods. Despite giving him formula with breast milk. Okay. See, no need for this despite also. Feeding options, giving him formula with breast milk. She was also confused regarding the feeding. Okay, she was actually confused regarding the feeding. You can combine and make the sentence. On assessment, see it's directly written on assessment why the who presented with constipation and dehydration. On assessment, Dylan has you don't have to write like this. More than that, you can actually write what is vital, what are the vitals which is normal and abnormal, or if except that everything is abnormal, or except that everything is normal. All parameters are normal. Okay, all parameters are normal except that everything is normal. More than that, all parameters are normal, and all these things. So several ways to write this and has gain. So here extra you have to mention about weight gain because the mother-in-law had told about adding extra powders. Okay. Of. See, one is to and the other is of. Okay, either gain weight 2 or because otherwise of this much weight. Since, however, passage of dark colored urine was not noticed. Passage. See, passage was noticed. Actually, here it's written and passes dark urine. Okay. Suggestive. See, these are the good vocabulary. Suggestive of dehydration. Of not his birth history was remarkable. Of not means important. If you want, you can write here. I am not seeing. It's not mentioned here, over here in that of not and all. Okay, if you want, you can just mention. Kindly ensure. Kindly ensure. See, these are the good means sentence which you can keep for yourself. How to start a sentence? Kindly ensure. See, suppose if some sentence starter will be there, you can actually sometimes two or three word count. If the word count is less, you can actually add just like this. Kindly ensure, or change the word over here rather than going for rewriting or anything. Uh, Make adjustment over here. Mrs. Charlson give him more of breast milk, and if she would continue with formula, so it's not sure. Sometimes she can continue, sometimes it's up to her because that's written in the discharge plan. You can check if you want. If she would continue with formula, it must be well prepared and enlighten her that water intake with formula is essential. So it should be diluted. Water intake with formula is essential. So how the same thing is written in different way. It's about preparation of boiled and cool water. Proper preparation. Okay. Then here it's like it must be well prepared and well prepared. Okay, that's the how they change the sentence. And enlighten her that water intake with formula is essential. There it is cool, hot and cold. That within the paragraph, within the bracket, hot and cold, they expanded. Okay, hot and cool to heated and cooled, like that they changed. It would be greatly appreciated if you could advise SED, actually it should be CED, it's a wrong spelling. Mrs. Charles to always keep Diane in cool environment. Okay, cool environment. Here it is cool place, cool environment, cool place. Okay, so that is the difference. See, environment, place, cool place, and she should bring him for a review in 2 days. See, 48 hours, 2 days, changed, right? Schedule a follow-up. Follow-up should be hyphenated. Review after 48 hours to monitor baby's progress. That's the reason why they. So you can, when you are writing, you can actually expand also. Okay, if you want. So here it is. Please update us regarding baby's condition. Okay, so take time to read.